At Lakeland Linder International Airport, students from Kathleen, Mulberry, and Sleepy Hill Middle Schools recently received an exciting opportunity. Barrington Irving, the first black man to fly solo around the world, spoke with students as part of his education initiative called the Flying Classroom. Through his program, Barrington helps youth explore lessons in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The students heard about Barrington's adventures and had a chance to participate in hands-on STEM activities, all with a focus on increasing their interest in the aviation industry.
I think a lot of kids are intimidated by aviation, not realizing how attainable it is for them. We have shortages of not just pilots, we need technicians, we need engineers, we need professionals in our field. Aviation drives the world. It really was one of the first World Wide Webs. And we want kids to understand the opportunities as well as the pathways they can take that is attainable for them right here in Polk County Schools.
In Polk County, our students soar to success in the aviation industry through the Central Florida Aerospace Academy. There are 2 CFAA locations. In 2008, one program opened its doors at Lakeland Linder International Airport. The other program recently began operating at Winter Haven High School. This specialized program features courses taught by industry professionals, and CFAA students graduate prepared to enter high-demand aviation careers of their choosing. To learn more about the CFAA programs, reach out to Kathleen Senior High for the Lakeland program and Winter Haven Senior High for the Winter Haven program.